May the 4th, guys, you know what that means. May the 4th be with you. And we're gonna take out the Propel speeder bike for a little flight today. And we got some weather coming in, but we should be able to get this in before. I've already installed my battery here, so all I have to do is kind of lock it in with Mr. Stormtrooper there. And then we'll give you this. Oh yeah. Speeder bike is engaged. And now, what do we got for rates here? I believe it's this button's the rate button, maybe. Maybe you gotta be up in the air. What was the auto launch? This one? Nope, nope, that's the flip button, my bad. That's also the flip button. How do I change the rates here? I forget. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's two buttons here. Forgot these are actually buttons here, and so are these. So we got a little wind coming at us here. Our little scout trooper can handle it though in this aircraft. I mean, how cool is this thing, right? This might be the coolest looking quad ever. I mean, you're not mad at it, right? So I think we're in the, so this is the high rate, 3 rates. Oh no, crash. I think I saw props going everywhere. Let me go over here. Oh man, there's one prop. Now let's see, are these labeled A? Yes, they are, A and B. So this one's gonna go over here. Caught some wind there, I guess, or something. Whoa, big crash with the speeder bike. So hopefully these props stay on, because they're notorious to not want to stay on after you've crashed and they've come off. So let's try this again. Scout Trooper didn't even come off. So what is it? Was it this one recalibrated, or was it this one? That one, recalibrate. So recalibration, auto launch. Still in the 3rd rate? I believe so. All right, we'll just pretend that didn't even happen here on May the 4th, 2018, catching some wind. It's getting windy. We're gonna get some thunderstorms today. But I figure while I could, why not? Let's get a little flight in with the speeder bike on May the 4th. So may the 4th be with you all. We're going into the wind here. We'll come back at us with the wind. Not full forward pitch again, because that, I mean, look at the pitch on that. Woo! Oh, we got some heavy wind. See the trees moving? I am not mad at the old speeder bike. And if you wanted to take off your Scout Trooper on this guy, it'd still look pretty cool. I'm gonna tell you. It would still look pretty cool. And I don't know if I ever mentioned really when I was flying this before, when I did the review and unboxing. This is probably the nicest hobby grade, toy grade quad style transmitter that there is. I mean, the gimbals in this are so smooth. We're getting blown away here. Let's come back. Scout Trooper, you don't want to get lost on the moon of Endor and get abducted by Ewoks. They'll take your helmet and turn it into some drums. So you got to stay close. Got to stay close. Did my controller just talk to me? It always kind of weirds me out, this controller talks to you. I got the volume set so low that I can hardly ever hear it too. Oop, behind the back. A little behind the back action. Scout Trooper. Scout Trooper flip. It does have altitude hold, and it has probably the greatest box of any package would ever come in. I will put a link to my video with the unboxing. The box actually plays Star Wars music. And, you know, I mean, how cool is that? The controller does all sorts of functions, and it has all sorts of Easter eggs built into it. I think that's my flight time there. I can't see if there's LEDs flashing or if it just was like, got confused by that little gust of wind there. Can't imagine that that's what it was. Too bright to see. I see one LED here. I don't really see anything flashing. Anyway, I suppose that is our flight here with a little scout trooper. I'll probably come back with some more videos with this guy. Well, I've always wanted to put an FPV camera on here, and kind of like, it comes with a spare one of these scout troopers. I always wanted to cut his head off and then put the FPV camera where his head is, so it looks like you're flying as a scout trooper. I might actually try that. So we'll see. Pretty big motors on this guy too. I don't know what the millimeter on these are, but those are some pretty serious looking motors. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and may the force be with you. May the 4th.